Welcome back again to JMC Garage, and I have made this video after a long time because I was deciding to complete this project and then show it to you guys. So here it is. As you can see, this is a very unique and cool build, and we are JMC Garage is based in Pakistan. So this is all built in Pakistan. All the modification has been done in-house in JMC Garage. Its custom bumpers, its doors, its roll bar, its pipe, everything has been made by us at the JMC Garage facility. So you can see this is a very unique and very beautiful build. It hasn't been completed yet. The screen bar is left and a little bit of detailing and stickers and those kinds of things are left, but I decided to show it to you guys because the build is very fascinating and I am very excited about it. So I decided that I must show it to you guys because you guys like this build a lot. A lot of viewers have been asking about this build. So it hasn't been completed, fully completed, but it's almost there. So other than that, let me show you. This is the Hilux that we have been building. It is almost near to completion. It's gonna go for the paint. But today the reason that I made this video is this thing. So this is the other FJ40. For the viewers that have been following me, you must have seen this build. This is the yellow FJ40, and it was in a very different shape before. It was a soft top and all compact vehicle with a almost like the original FJ40, but now it has been heavily modified. So it is an even better version of the red FJ40. So now as you can see, you can tell by its look that it is very much more aggressive and monster looking than the red FJ40, and it is gonna be the twin of the red FJ40 but upgraded. So the very major thing and the cause of today's video is that we have given this FJ40 new wheels and tires. So as you can see, these are the new wheels and tires. We have given it a 22-inch wheel with an all-terrain tire of the same 22-inch. This gives this FJ40 a very awesome profile, and the ride height has been increased a lot due to the 22-inch wheels, and the vehicle looks just awesome and gorgeous. So it is almost ready for the paint. The primer has been applied and we are just doing the interior, and the bonnet has been left. So we are gonna just finish up the bonnet and then it's gonna be finalized in the paint, and I'll show it to you after that. We are also deciding to paint it red. If you viewers and any of you guys thinks that there's any other color that would look better than the red, then just comment me, because I respect your comments, and I am thinking to give it some other color, but other than that, I don't think that any color will look cool on it. But I would like your opinion, and I would consider it. So viewers, let me also show you the side of this vehicle. So from the front it does look like some monster, but from the side it's even better. I like the side of this build more than the front, and when the front bumper and the rear tire guard like they are on the FJ40 are installed, it looks even better. It looks a little bit longer, which gives it a bigger type of look, a bulkier type of look, and when over fenders and anything is installed and the vehicle is complete, it just looks like a very good build from the side. So I like the side profile of this FJ40s a lot, and we have modified the side profile more than the previous one. We have given it some differences that will be, when it will be completed, I'll show you the differences between this FJ40 and the previous build. So this one is gonna be even better than the previous one. So now as you can see, it is almost near to paint completion. When the paint will be completed, then we'll go get toward the interior. I have decided a very custom type of interior for this FJ40 and a heavy sound system for this FJ40. So it's gonna look even better than the before FJ40. So it is gonna look even better than the previous FJ40, and this build is gonna be much more, you can say, even better version of our FJ40 builds. So let's hope for the best, and this is almost up for today. So I'll make sure that you stay with us if you want to see this build completed. It will be completed in May, and till the end of May it will be in use, inshallah. For today viewers, this was the thing that we have been doing since the last month, and I haven't been uploading videos because I was busy with this project and this little beauty. So now that they are near to completion, I decided to give a video to you guys. So thanks for watching, and that's all.